Hello, little artists! Today we are going to learn how to draw a rainbow sunflower, step by step.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Start by drawing a big circle right in the center of your page. Now, add those gorgeous petals. Count them out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add some dots and lines to make your flower even more fabulous.
La da 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 dee.
Once your drawing is complete, make those outlines bold and sharp with your black marker. And now, let's learn the names of some vibrant colors. Indigo color, purple color, green color, yellow color, pink color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, lucent green color, bottle green color, brown color. Yellow goes right in the center. And for the petals, here come the rainbow colors, red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, indigo, purple, and pink.
Your rainbow sunflower looks beautiful and bright. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.